Hello and welcome to an AI Producer tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about how to properly set up a town hall event using AI Producer so that the viewers can activate and view multi-language live captions and translations in that town hall destination. This tutorial is meant specifically for RTMP event feeds into a town hall. It's a very simple process to set up properly so that live captions and translations are enabled for the viewers, but you will need to follow these steps exactly that I'm about to show you. So let's get into it. I'm going to quickly set up a town hall here before I set up my presenter meeting. I click on the drop down next to New Event, then Town Hall. I will call this Town Hall Tutorial Production, and I'll scroll down here and make it public. Now I'll click into the meeting options, and I can adjust any of these settings if I need to. Since this tutorial is about the live captions and translations, I'll go ahead and pick my 10 languages for the translations. I'll just select 10 random ones for this tutorial. And right up here is what we need to focus on, the RTMP in option. I am not going to select this quite yet, but you will see me do it later in this tutorial at the appropriate time. So I will go ahead and select Apply, then Publish, Publish again to confirm it. I'm going to quickly copy this join link. And now I am ready to set up my presenter meeting in AI Producer. I'll quickly create a new Teams meeting. I'll name it Tutorial Presenter Meeting. I will invite Emma, one of my presenter bots, and hit send. Then I'll add AI Producer to the meeting as always by opening it back up, clicking on the Apps button, selecting AI Producer, and hitting Save. I'll click on AI Producer to access the pre-meeting settings. I'll select Broadcast, then I'll select Rundown, and since I want to showcase the captions later, I'll select this rundown here that has a single video segment with audio, and I'll select Emma as the presenter, then hit Next again, and now I'm into the destinations. OneDrive is already selected, and normally I would select Teams Town Hall as my viewer destination, but since I do not have the RTMP URL or stream key, I cannot input those yet. So I will just keep OneDrive as my only destination for now and click Next. Then I click Save, and I'm ready to move on to the next step. So now both presenter meeting and the town hall destination have been set up, and now I'm going to show you how to connect them properly so that the live captions and translations are enabled. So when I'm ready to start my event, the first thing I'm going to do is join that town hall, but I'm just going to join it. I'm not going to start the event yet. I go up here to More, then scroll down to Settings, then select Meeting Options. I scroll down to the bottom and select RTMP in and click Save. I then go back into the meeting options the same way I did before, and you will see the URL and stream key are now here for me to copy and paste, so I will go ahead and do that for both of them. And now I am ready to paste these into my destination settings in my production meeting. Now, it's important to note here that you cannot end that town hall meeting when you move on to this next step, so just make sure you or someone else stays in that town hall. So now I'm going to go back into my AI producer settings in the presenter meeting. I go into the destination settings, and this is where I paste the URL and the stream key. I'll do the stream key first, then I'll paste in the stream URL. I click next, then save, and now I'm all set up and good to go. So now I will join that presenter meeting. Click on the AI Producer app, and then click Prepare. Now, as I wait for the production to prepare and in turn begin playing the Starting Soon bumper, the next thing I'm going to do is go back to that town hall. I'll click Resume because I am on the same account and popping in between meetings. And you will see that AI Producer RTMP feed on the left side and the Starting Soon bumper is playing. So I will select it. Then I'll click Start Event, which will allow the viewers to see that Starting Soon bumper. Now I'll go back to my production meeting and start the event, which will begin to play that pre-recorded video I selected earlier. Now I will show you the Town Hall viewer destination so I can show you the viewer experience and how the live captions and translations work in Town Hall. So here we are in that Town Hall as a viewer, and that pre-recorded video is currently playing. All I have to do now as a viewer to activate the captions is click the closed captions icon up here, and then click Show Live Captions. The default will be your spoken language, which in my case is English, obviously. But you can choose any of the other available languages in this menu here. And once you select a different language, it takes about 8 seconds for it to change the live captions to the new language that you have just selected. And now you're seeing the Filipino captions at the bottom of the screen. So there you have it. That's how you can ensure that the live captions and translations are enabled and available to the viewers in a town hall when you are sending an AI producer live event via RTMP. If you have your own captions embedded on the RTMP feed and do not need the ones that Town Hall can generate, then you would not need to follow the steps that I just showed you. This setup process is only if you want to use the captions and translations that are native to Town Hall. And this is how you have to set it up. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.